Pop Mart Top 15 in 2024 Figurine and Blind Box. Coming in at 15th, Reno and Keith. Coming in at 14th place, Go Panda the Stocking Surprise. Coming in at 13th, Dimu Marine Palace. Coming in at number 12, Hirono the Little Prince. Coming in at number 11, Skull Panda, Bunny or Doggy. Coming in at number 10, Skull Panda, Let's Know. Coming in at number 9, Hirono Doll Panda. Coming in at number 8, Skull Panda Lover 2024. Coming in at number 7, Skull Panda LA Port. Coming in at number 6, Skull Panda Mona Lisa. Coming in at number 5, Skull Panda Butterfly Whisperer. Coming in at number 4, Dimu Embrace the Sun. Coming in at number 3, Demo Water Manipulator. Coming in at number 2, Demo Follow the Light. Coming in at number 1, Skull Panda Seen Her. Thanks your follow. Let's look forward to 2025. Happy New Year!